Rajya Sabha Ethics Committee chairperson has recommended Vijay Mallya's expulsion with immediate effect. The panel in its report has also said that Parliament is committed to take steps against erring members to uphold the dignity and prestige of the House. Aditi is joining us now for more on the story. Aditi, the Rajya Sabha Ethics Committee taking stern view of the conduct of Vijay Mallya so far and making sure that the dignity of the House is not suffered at the hands of law defaulters.
Absolutely. In fact, Times Now has got an exclusive access to that Ethics Committee report, which has now been tabled in the Rajya Sabha. In fact, few pointers which are of extreme importance in this particular is this one line where it has said that the committee has observed there are more than one issue involved, such as alleged default in repayment of loans taken by Dr. Mallya from several banks, his leaving the country, and the non-payment of wages to the employees of Kingfisher Airlines. Now, remember that on the 25th of April, the Ethics Committee had a sitting where they had sent a notice to Vijay Mallya that lasted for a week. He was expected to respond back as to why he should not be expelled from the House. And the final conclusion drawn by this particular committee is that having considered the whole matter, including Dr. Mallya's letter, the Committee on Ethics unanimously decided at its meeting on the 3rd May that recommended to the House that Dr. Vijay Mallya be expelled with immediate effect. The committee adopted draft report to that effect. In fact, also saying that the committee hopes that by taking such stern action, a message would reach to the general public that Parliament is committed to take such steps as are necessary against erring members to uphold the dignity and prestige of the great institution. So clearly a very stern message coming in from the Ethics Committee. They have now demanded that Vijay Mallya should be expelled. Now remember, Vijay Mallya had sent in his resignation letter to the Rajya Sabha chairman as well. That chairman had rejected his resignation, saying that it was not as per the official protocol that should be followed as far as the Parliament is concerned. The same letter was later passed on to Dr. Karan Singh, who is the chairperson of the Ethics Committee. Yet again, sitting on that particular letter, the Ethics Committee has now tabled its report in the Rajya Sabha, where they have recommended that Vijay Mallya should be expelled with immediate effect, so that a stern message should be passed on to the members of the Parliament and also to the people at large that nothing which is detrimental towards the prestige and dignity of the Parliament will be accepted by the members of the House.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.